a lot of I still get excited getting them a new rag company. They make great applicators. These I saw on a YouTube, so this got it for $5. Talking about some interior at that time. I'm in Northwest Indiana, detailing season. It's always detailing season. You just gotta wait for the right temperature. But in my case, the spring is around the corner, so I'm stocking up, getting ready. Right now, I buy a lot of the stuff I buy at Detailedimage. I'll put an affiliate link on the bottom below. This store, I came across it, and I find they have a lot of good deals at this website. I believe they're in Albany, New York, around that area. I'm not quite sure, but I find myself going to this website buying a lot of my detailing products. Obviously, you do your own diligence and check them out. I keep going to this store. They put a lot of good deals, and yeah, I'm right here ready. Just got an order in. Their shipping is pretty good, and it's a reasonable times they send it. A lot of the deals you gotta wait on them if you want free shipping. That's one thing about this website. You gotta sometimes buy a certain amount to get the free shipping, but I believe most of the stores do it. But for the most part, this website, I do find myself paying for shipping sometimes, but they do the sales they put on, kind of balance out. So it all depends. Obviously, you could check this store out. I recommend it. Even with that being said, I like this store. I never had problems with them. I always get what I order. So let me unbox. Actually, this one was on the waiting because it had been waiting for a month on this one. Only reason I was waiting for a month because there was some products that weren't available, and they give you the option of waiting for everything there to be in stock, and then they'll ship it all together, or you could just take the item that you're waiting on, and then they'll ship it. But let's see what I got. I think I order mostly for rims, but all right. I always love. Okay, yeah, this is the easy. This is a must for the rims. I got one, but the other one's kind of wearing out, so I want to have another one of these, so it's ready to go. These are for the wheelbarrow. Obviously, you can get them at car supplies. You get them at a lot of places, but sometimes you just gotta shop around. If you like to shop around like me and look for a good deal, then yeah, I got a good deal on this one at Detailedimage. But yeah, this is the first item. Ooh. Even though I got one of these, I still get excited getting a new one. I love this. The bristles are sturdy, but at the same time soft enough that it's not going to damage your wheels. Very safe. This is a must for the cleaning. These pads, I use them for the interiors. Like I use Coach Chemi or Cock Chemi. I don't even know how you pronounce that one the proper way. There's a lot of YouTubers that they just don't really know. I don't even know what's the proper way to say for the Coach Chemi line. I love that line, but I use these for like when I'm putting dressings. Obviously, the rag company, they make great products, microfibers, all kinds of deal. I got, I think, a very good deal on the Detailedimage. At the time when I bought these were almost over a month. They had a sale on these, so I mean, I don't know how much these are. Usually about $9, $8, but I got them at $5 or something. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you the products because a lot of the pricings, they change week after, month after month, and this is already, I forgot the price, and maybe I got a packing slip in here, but for the most part, yeah, these are good for putting dressings in the interior. I mostly use it for the interior dressings. It's very quality. Yeah, no soak. 5-inch detailer applicators. Rag Company. Rag Company is a great company again. And these are from Auto Fiber, Tire Saver Dual Dressing Applicators. These I saw on YouTube, so this was more of a curiosity buy. I heard good things about it. I'm gonna try these on the tires for tire dressing, and I'm gonna check it out. And yeah, that's oh, sorry about the camera. So Auto Fiber, there's a 2-pack. I'm gonna try these out, see how they work on tire dressings. Let's see what we got. Let me just go with the. Oh, these are for. I know what these are. Okay, I know what these are. Okay, see, when you finish with a customer's car, take pride in your vehicle. Thank you. We appreciate your business. It's from Uline. Oh, I got a catalog from them. From Uline. So, I got a bunch of these. And when I'm finished with a customer, buy a 40-pack for $10 or something. I don't remember. Look at that later. There's another one for the rag company. Premium products. This is the Wolf Pack, the 3-pack. This I got it for $5. I already got a bunch of these, but these are real good for taking off waxes, rinseless washes, very plush. And this, does it say the GSM? They're very high quality products. They're real plushy. The Wolfpack, I use these a lot. You can use a rinseless. I use, you know, whatever you feel like using. But I use these for multiple things. I take off the when you polish, you take off the residue with this. Great towel, 3-pack, very cheap. I figure I could just keep adding that. Well, more applicators. This one I got it because it was just a very good deal on this 6-pack. Bunch of applicators. Another one for the rag company. The Ultra No Soap coating. You use it for coating, dressings, whatever you want for this one. This, I love these interiors. It's great. The Scrub Ninja. This is a newer one, I guess. These, oof. Talking about some interior work. These are great. Oh, this I got the both sides. See, on the other one I had the microfiber. This Scrub Ninja has both sides. Yeah, so this is gonna be more. Because I on the other Scrub Ninja, I don't even use the microfiber side. I just mostly use this one. But this one has the black and the white side. So Scrub Ninja, these are a must for interior. You want to finish fast? This is great. It's a 3-pack. I'm just stocking up on these. I already got a bunch of these, but I always keep adding Auto Fiber. That's another great company. Let's see what we got. Oh, my handle broke. For in the winter, I had a little liquid. So this is a replacement for the IK sprayer. I have the Pro. I use it for rinseless wash. So in the winter, before it gets cold, you want to put these away. They're plastic, and I forgot to drain some liquid off the handle. And when it warmed up and I was gonna do a rinseless wash, I noticed that my handle was busted. And sometimes, I guess, if you leave liquids inside your stuff, that's why every time you finish using it, you want to drain everything. So this was more of a replacement than, you know. But yeah, in the wintertime, like if you're in like in the northern parts, I'm in Northwest Indiana. I forgot to take the liquids and it busted on me. But the IK sprayers, you know, some people love them, some people hate them. I'm happy with them. They're not perfect, but you know, yeah, IK. See what we got. These are for the floor mats. So when I'm finished with the customer, what do I got here? I believe, oh, this is the, see, I have the bigger one, but I like the smaller one, wash pads, media. It just, to me, in my opinion, it's a little bit better. These are the microfiber. I believe these are, does it say? It doesn't say. I want to say this is the rag company. I'll look at the packing list, but these are good wash medias. Microfiber, Korean, I believe. The wash pad is let me look at the packing list. This is Soak, Wolfpack, Ultra Swivel, Easy Brush, the mid barrel. Yeah, this is the oh, the wash pad. Okay, so it's the Rag Company. This is the Rag Company Cyclone Ultra Premium Wash Pad, 6 inches by 8 inches. This is a great wash pad, very safe. You're not gonna scratch nothing. There we go. More of these things. I must have got like 4 of these or 100. This is the Pro. If you got a stick, a mop stick, this is good for like when you this is an adapter, so I wanted to try the aluminum one. I have the padded one. It's just I find a hard time sticking the other wash and drying media on this stuff, so I'm gonna try this one out. I do have the stick, but this one is supposed to be more premium, and I'm gonna try this out, see how it works. So it just swivels and locks in place. And then if you want, I guess, let me see, swivel, and then I believe you can move to the side. I'm trying to figure this out. I gotta look at it. I know you can move it to the side, but I gotta find the one. I'll mess with this in a while. But this is the head, the Pro. When I'm working on big SUVs, pickup trucks, I get on that Gorilla step thingy, and I just do one side, and I'm able to reach the top without getting on and off to wash the top of the SUVs. Even the hood, you know, sometimes you have a hard time reaching for the hood. This is a great product. I'll get this, and these are swivels when you're using the air gun. I already got 2 of these, but these I got extra just in case I get more air tools. I'll put these on. But these are good for your wrists, you know, and they swivel all ways. You know, I have it. I'll show it in another video. This is from the Rag Company. The little swiveling things you put for your tornador and on your air tools. I like these, so that's why I bought 2 replacements just in case they break, or if I get a new tool, I just put it on and I put one of these, and I'm able to swivel everywhere. Great. And they're very cheap. They're not that expensive. They're a great little mod or add-on to your air tools, so that way your wrist can move all around freely. Sometimes the air holes, you're fighting with the air holes, and with this kind of swiveling, you're fighting less with it. But I recommend this. I like it. I've been using it, and when you're happy with it, you just, you know, you buy it. So this is from the Rag Company Ultra Air Swivel Kit. It's great. Now this is new to me. I haven't used one of these, so this is gonna be. I want to see the wheelbarrow. Oh, this is like the Scrub Ninja. So this pack came with the Scrub Ninja one. So yeah, it feels like it's like it has the interior. This one, the material feels just like the Scrub Ninja. So maybe I get more scrubbing power, but let me open it up. Oh, great. Where did I leave the knife? I don't need the knife. I don't want to break it. There we go. These are not all that. So, oh, I like the handle. It does feel premium. So, it's this is not metal. This is like a rubber, and yeah, this is like it's got a hole here. I mean, maybe, but yeah, it's pretty. Doesn't feel cheap. It's like a very hard rubbery material. It has the barrel blade right here, auto fiber. Auto fiber makes some great detailing tools. So you will put it like this, and then you snap it on. You know, this one definitely feels safe on rims. and it feels like it has a like same thing with the interior. It feels like it'll have a little bite where you're scrubbing, like, I don't know, you those little for agitation on the rim. Yeah, I like the feel of it. I'm definitely gonna try this Scrub Ninja wheel. All right, I believe they're from wheel. This is the case it came on. The barrel blade wheel brush from by Auto Fiber. I'm just putting things away because I know I got different items for the blade. It's for the barrel blade, so that's my reason. So this one definitely got a weird texture to it, and it feels safe. Doesn't feel like it would scratch anything. It feels like maybe more of a more aggressive agitation. It's definitely the scrub pad would be more of a more aggressive agitation, but with a safer material. This feels safe, but it just feels like I would use this for maybe more if I need to, more aggressive agitation on the wheels for those stubborn stuff that doesn't want to come off. This definitely feels like it has a, so this is more of a, let me try it out. So this is a noodle cover. This is for moderate scrubbing cover for barrel blade, made from skinny noodle microfiber material with a fabric coating that stiffens the fibers and increase their durability. Great for super dirty wheels and or wheels with calipers and spokes. The cover is detachable and changeable. Okay, and it's launderable. It covers the barrel blade cover, core snaps friendly. So I guess this is for medium scrubbing. I probably would think this is for more aggressive scrubbing. Where's the bag? Did I put it? I don't think it said anything on this one yet. Yeah, it came on this one. It didn't really say anything. No, but this is for medium scrubbing. All right. So I wanted to mess around with some wheel barrel blades. Sometimes you come with all sorts of rims. This definitely is plush. This is more like your regular normal wash mitt with, if you get those delicate, very high-end wheels. This is definitely the lightest one. More of just washing. Not really like gunked up, but even if it's gunked up but not like stuck to the rim, yeah, I'll definitely use this. So this is more of a plush feel to it, more the lightest one. So I would say medium, light, medium to most aggressive for washing the rims. And that's it. So stay tuned for more videos. I'm gonna stock up more. I got some more.